Okay, when you receive this pack later, firstly you need to check all the accessory parts, the main body, the big step paddle, an accessory bag. Open, you will see the connect the power plug, the water funnel, the laser Google, and customer will protect the Google. The small storage, our video and user manual put inside. You can connect with your computer to check the information. Machine's key. Two fuse. And one water circulation tool. When you receive the machine, there are two parts: the laser and the laser machine, and the arm are divided. When you open the laser arm, it's the first step to install it. Find this tool first to connect with the machine. Be careful, must avoid any dust into the laser generator, or it will make it broken and affect the laser stability. Second, find this mantle plate, firmware. Third, to move out the handle piece, connect on. Notice, you must face this area. Okay, this area is flashboard. You must face this area to the ground. Must face this area to the ground. Make sure the handle piece in this cell, or you can connect on. And move out the protector. Okay. Move on like this. Okay. Then firmware. Have a look at this place. Is to adjust this heavy tool. You must press down. Okay, when you connect the wire, notice press down this black button. Make sure it gets loose. Okay, make sure it gets loose first. Then press down, adjust the right corner. Okay, then it's firmware. Next, you need to adjust the other tool. For example, this line connected to here. Face the correct place. Find the laser head. Connect it to the this place connected here. And this line connected to here. You need to set up this tool is to protect the laser handpiece. Find out this tool at your accessory bag. Okay. Face the rear. Like this. And move. Well, okay. Find out this plastic, the black tool for handlepiece foam. Here the line gets formed by this way, then you face this side here, like this. Make sure this screw place face the screw. Kind of form well this part, and then you can put the handlepiece here. Next, you need to prepare at least 12 liter distilled water for the machine. Like this. Okay. During add water, firstly you have to see this place. There are 3 ports. One is the water inlet, second is water for, third is the water vents. When you add water, firstly you open the water inlet. Secondly, open the vents. Then find the water funnel. This tool. Connect to the water inlet. Then add water from outside. During this procedure, until you see finally the water go out from the vents, that means your water fulfilled. Okay, until you see the water go out from the vents, that means the water fulfilled inside. So wait until the water exhausts and end out from the vents, and you can form the screw well. Now you can move the water inlet one further. Okay, it's stuck. Then you can form the screw. Form the screw on the water output input. turning the water around the case. Okay. Then find the paddle. Notice to face the correct place with the connection. Then firm well. And find the power plug. Connect. Then when you connect all the plug and the paddle well, notice here has the emergency button. You should notice here turn to on place, turn to on. Then find the key, insert into the correct place here. Insert. Okay. Then you turn this emergency red button to right, make it spring on, like this. Then turn this key to right, open the machine. Okay. Then you can check with your user manual and operation video for the user indication.